What's up, guys? For Christmas, I picked up one of these Rode Video Micros. It's supposed to have pretty good audio quality. I read some reviews on it. It's the smallest, cheapest Rode mic they offer, but it's still supposed to be pretty good. It's like a $50 mic. Should block out a lot of background noise. I'm hoping to fix my audio on some of my vlogs, and some stuff at the track should make it a lot more bearable. Only issue was, it turns out it needs a TRRS cable and not a TRS cable. So I had to get an adapter cable. It's like $15 from Rode. So I'll have that tomorrow. I also had to get a little mount plate so I can mount this right on top of whatever I'm using, which is usually an iPhone or a Galaxy S6 or something like that. So real pumped. Just want to let you guys know that bear with me, and we should have better audio and stuff coming. I am trying to improve the channel as much as I can. It's going to be baby steps, but appreciate each and every one of you guys.